Hey everyone, in this episode we're going to show you a quick time lapse of how we went about doing a custom side exit exhaust system for the 67 F100 we're doing behind us here. This was kind of a back and forth design process to figure out dimensions and whatnot of kind of where we wanted to dump at. Similar to like a second gen Ford Lightning. We kind of wanted it to be sleek, not too noticeable on the side of the body, so we just didn't cut the side of the body out per se. These pieces we modeled, did a CNC wood buck to check the profile of the bedside. Once that was assured, we had them designed in CAD, verified the dimensions, whatnot. Once that was done, we had them 3D printed just out of like a regular plastic to verify fitment. So this video here shows us installing them in the bedside itself. We've had to do a version 2 since this video, just change a few dimensions and whatnot, but this gives you the idea of how we went about cutting them into the bedside, how they're going to mount and whatnot. These will eventually be cut out of CNC aluminum and mounted into the bedside, obviously either cerakoted or powder coated, depending on the coloring and whatnot we're going to go with it. They will have a aluminum V-band flange welded onto them, and they will connect to the custom stainless system that I have built for the truck. So yeah, here is the little time lapse we've done of installing these in the mock-up and whatnot of the truck. This is the side exit exhaust piece we had 3D printed. It uses 2 backer plates with machine screws to hold it to the side of the body in place. It also has a 3-inch opening for a V-band flange to be welded to once we assemble the truck and whatnot.